Hey you guys! Oh, I've stalled long enough. Oh my gosh, so today we're going to organize my entire room, my New York studio. I am back from Atlanta for those of you that have not watched any of my recent videos. I was in Atlanta for a good 3 weeks and now I'm back and my room's a hot mess. So today we are going to do a long montage or maybe a short montage of me cleaning and organizing my room. Hope you guys enjoy this and enjoy the nice fun music in the background. Yo, oh my gosh, I don't want to do this, but I need to do this because I know it can't just be me that if your room's a mess, your brain, your head is all a mess too. You can't think straight. You feel bad leaving the house with it looking like that, etc. So without any further ado, y'all, enough talking. Without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So before I get to cleaning, I just want to share what my room looks like right now. The bed's a mess. My suitcases are still here unpacked. We got my clean laundry, not dirty, clean laundry, but it just needs to be put away. My desk, my cute pink chair that I got from Amazon. It's like just stacked with clothes. My lovely birthday gift I got from Kim. Then the one I got from Tanisha. Y'all, this desk is where I'm supposed to work. Okay, this is water. Yeah. And this makeup is from literally a video I filmed 2 months ago, like way before I left for Atlanta. Oh, y'all. Oh, y'all. Someone help me. Let's get to this. Alright, just put on my hair to keep it out of my face because I know it bothers some of you when I touch it. I'm sorry. I think it's just a habit of mine I have. But anyways, first thing in order, making the bed. Yay! Success! Oh my gosh, you guys, literally 3 hours later. My room is so clean. I can see the floor. There's no suitcases and dirty laundry, old laundry, all that stuff. The bed is made, nothing like a bed made, y'all. And then the boxes are over there that I haven't opened up. Those are PR boxes. My makeup and makeup table is gone, all put away. And then my desk is clear. I can use it. I could actually sit down and eat and work and do whatever I want. Put on some makeup, take off my makeup. Oh my gosh. This feels so good. Alright guys, well that concludes my cleaning montage. Organize my studio with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I do have more stuff to organize and clean out, so if you guys really did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, because I would definitely do more of these type of videos. Hope it was super relaxing and also like satisfying in a way, if that's not weird to ask. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a girl thumbs up if you did, and if you guys want to see more of this face, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright you guys, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.